So I just crashed the drone here in the field. Is the grass behind me. The sun is going down and I'm trying to find the drone and it's almost impossible. But I'm trying to engage this function of find my drone beeping and lighting, and I think here it is. I found it. I found a drone. Okay. It looks well. We're going to find a drone. I didn't saw where it crashed. I was on a skateboard. So it seems okay. Happy end, it's all good. So let's recover the skateboard. I've left it here. The skateboard is here. Woo! All right. I'm gonna try the drone now.